Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming DNS points to Hostinger so certificates can validate. This is essential for issuance. Once DNS is correct, open hPanel and enable Auto SSL for your domain. This automates issuance and renewal. Make a quick backup of site files and the database before changes so you can revert if needed. While enabling SSL takes moments, you must ensure propagation finished and that no conflicting redirects or old htaccess rules will block the process. Once SSL is active, you force secure traffic by adding a 301 redirect in htaccess or using the hPanel redirect tool. This tells browsers and search engines to prefer HTTPS. Next, update your CMS site URL settings to use HTTPS so internal links and assets load securely. Make sure to clear any caching layers, Hostinger cache, CDN, and browser cache, so you test live responses rather than stale content. Check mixed content warnings and replace insecure asset URLs if needed. You finish by verifying the site shows a secure padlock and running an SSL diagnostic to confirm proper chain and expiry. If you see mixed content warnings, update image, script, and stylesheet URLs to HTTPS or protocol relative paths. This resolves browser blocking. If the site breaks or redirects loop, restore your backup and inspect. Htaccess rules, plugin conflicts, or incorrect redirects in hPanel. One key troubleshooting tip: disable caching and security plugins temporarily to isolate the issue before re-enabling them.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.